Let's learn the letter V. Draw diagonal line down and up. V is for van. V. Veena knew guests were coming. She cleaned the room, put vases in the right spots, and started cutting vegetables for lunch. Is it nice to take care of guests?
Boy in a van with vases in a row will place the violin in a cheerful show. Vase, vase, vase. Vulture, vulture, vulture. Vegetables, vegetables, vegetables. Violin, violin. V,